I do see on a personal taxation where the government tries to bring in more levels of relief for working from home. What we have seen right now is that there is a tangible shift which is beneficial to the employer as well as employee, that you work from home. Earlier you had the concepts of if I travel from work home to work and life, there was an allowance, conveyance allowance. Now people don't travel. The question is, now you'll be at home. Currently, a lot of these you do get reimbursement for, let's say, the internet charges, or let's say you bought a workstation or a chair. But I feel there should be some added incentive, because at the end of the day, you're using your home. So either you work out where there is a specific a kind of people who are working from home, a specific deduction around that, or you tweak the standard deduction to bring that benefit in. Maybe there will be a bit of tweaking on the ATC, which is the investments that we make in order to push more investments in desired certain sectors. So we may see some tweaking in that ATC section. One could expect a tweak which is more to do with, typically you have this LTA, which is allowed twice in a block of 4 years. You could, means nobody is virtually traveled too much in this.
Yeah.
You might see certain relaxation there, which promotes more and more domestic travel and allows you either in terms of a greater threshold in terms of that amount, or it would possibly see that instead of just twice in a block of 4 years or once in a block, you increase the number in that block, so that you could possibly and they would come back that if you avail it, say in the next 1 year, you would definitely get it. That additional increase will be only if you undertake that travel in next 6 months or 1 year. What it means is you can avail that additional provided you travel will give them immediate boost. So that is something that I'm fine with, in favor of, because it would mean direct benefit and support. We do see there being a greater push for manufacturing in India, because that's one of the key incentives. So we do happen, and if you ask me specifically, if you see the last time budget, they had announced 15% reduced rate. I think probably this time round there will be a greater focus on manufacturing, where the R&D incentives, we have realized the importance of R&D during this COVID times, where India has been the pharma hub for the entire world. More employment related measures. Now again, how one can do it is there was been a provision which says that if you employ more people than what you had employed last year, then you get a additional tax benefit. So if you spend 100, you actually get 90% more. So it was a very attractive, but the threshold for that was kept very low, i.e. only people who are employed having monthly salary less than 25,000. Now, the more people we spoke to, they say, Hemal, we do employ more and more people. But unfortunately, if you look at any urban standard, the salary levels are higher, and therefore can that threshold be taken out.